Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I'm your maths teacher. It's your maths class students. Open your book, page number 16. Students, as we discuss about fractions, numerators and denominators in our previous lecture. So in this lecture, today we will discuss about comparing and ordering of fraction. For this purpose, first of all, we must know two things, girls. Okay, listen to me carefully and keep it in your mind. There are two kinds of fractions, like and unlike fractions. Okay, girls? If we have same denominator, the fraction will be like. In other cases, if we have same numerator, the fractions will be unlike. So in like fractions, students, where the denominator will be same. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Here we have to complete this, okay, by putting the symbol of greater and smaller. These are some fractions. First of all, we will see the denominator. These values are same. So this will be the like fractions because the denominators are same. So students, now how could we know that which value is greater and which value is smaller? How could we put this sign here? Because we don't know which value is smaller and which is greater. So for this purpose, in like fraction, students, you must know that the value will be greater. It's depend upon the greater numerator. If we have greater numerator, then the value will be greater. Okay, students, here you can see that 1 by 3. Here 1 is the numerator, which one is smaller than that of 2. That's why we put the sign of smaller. 1 by 3 is smaller than 2 by 3. Similarly, 9 by 10 is greater than 8 by 10 because 9 by 10 is greater value than that of 8 by 10. Similarly, girls, 3 by 7 smaller than that of 5 by 7. 7 by 9 is smaller than 8 by 9. 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. In age, 4 by 8 is smaller than 6 by 8. So, students, please keep it in your mind that in the same or like fractions where the denominators are similar, we have to see the value of or the numerator. If we have greater numerator, the whole value of the fractions will be greater. So according to these like fractions, we have to write in ascending order this question. You can see, girls, like here in part A, we have to write this in ascending order. Ascending means from smaller to greater one. So here the denominators are similar, it means this is like fractions. We have to see the numerator's value. If we have small, then it will be small. If we have greater, it will be greater. So according to these like fractions, 1 by 8 is smaller, then it will be increased gradually, like 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Here same 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 5 by 9 and 8 by 9. In question E, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and then 4 by 5. Similarly here 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. In question number D, here the values are like you can see 3 by 10, then 4 by 10, then 7 by 10 and last 9 by 10. In F, first 1 by 7, then 2 by 7, then 5 by 7 and last 6 by 7. Similarly, students, girls, now you can see the question number 3 on the page number 70. You have to color the boxes which are correct. Here you have done this like fractions and their ascending orders and the symbol, how to put the symbol of greater and smaller according to their like fractions. So students, Here we have given a chart. You can see a box. You have to color in the small boxes by seeing whether these values are correct, symbols are correct according to the values or not. If these are correct, you have to color. So students, as the denominator is same, so these fractions are like fractions. And here we have to see the, in like fraction we have to see the numerator value. Greater the numerator value, greater will be the value. So here is, this value is greater. Why? Because 1 by 7 is smaller than 6 by 7. Thank you girls. This is your classwork. Inshallah I will send you your homework in the next link. Okay, thank you girls.